Hey guys, welcome to Defense Tech. I know it's been a while for me making videos. I've been very busy, but I'm back again. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make a custom WhatsApp link. Yeah, custom WhatsApp link. If you want to generate leads for a client and how to generate leads for a client to a sales funnel, you use this WhatsApp or custom WhatsApp links. If you don't know what custom WhatsApp links is, you're going to know by the course of the video. And without not wasting more time, I will just dive into it on how to build the link for your businesses. So first thing we need to do is to dive into WhatsApp, Google, and type custom WhatsApp link. You can see. So this is it. As soon as you search for this, you're going to click on the first, which is this. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Then you click on it. As soon as you click on it, it's going to take you to the site, and from there we can start the creation of the custom WhatsApp link. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed, please do so. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So you can see WhatsApp, create a WhatsApp link. It's the most popular WhatsApp link generator. What would you like to do today? If you want to generate a free link and create a brand, you can brand your, let's say you have a brand, you can pay $6 for a year and you get everything you want. So to create a WhatsApp link, you usually need users. You don't need to know your phone number to save in the device to search conversation. To start a simple 5 steps like clicking on just one link, so they can easily from that link start chatting with you even when they have not saved your number. So if you would like to create a WhatsApp link for people to contact you instantly, this is the right place. So you can see the function. So let me just show you how to create the free one. They have a plan. This one, we're just going to have a barcode, a custom message, and a link directory, but we're not going to have a brand link, custom phone number and URL. Click analysis. That is where you get to see how many people clicked on that link, and appearance in search, and so many things like that. So without not wasting time, I'm just going to come down here. So I'm in Nigeria, that's why it's showing the Nigeria flag. So all you're going to do is to put your phone number. I'm going to put my 8147192169. So this is my WhatsApp number. So you can add your custom messages now. Let's say, hi, Dave, NZ Tech, I saw your video on web design. I would love to learn from you. So let's say, okay, yep, I'm good to go. So let's say I want to do this for a sales funnel. Let's say I created a video, and after the end of the video I said, if you want to learn more, contact me, and I'm going to create a custom link. So what I'm going to do is to click on generate. So it's going to generate the link. So this is our link here. We're going to test it, and you have a barcode that we can download. So this is the barcode. Let me show you the barcode. So this is the barcode. You can put this on your flyer designs and so many places, so you can just easily scan and chat with directly from here. So now I'm going to copy the link. You can add the link to this while downloading it, so you're going to see it around. So that's the link there. So without not wasting more time, I'm just going to come to my internet and click on it, and you're going to see what happens. It's going to synchronize and go straight to the chat. So chat now. So this is the message you're going to see. This is what they're going to say. As soon as they click continue to chat, they were able to converse with me directly. So you can see it's trying to open my web WhatsApp. Currently I have WhatsApp logged in on my laptop, so it's trying to access my laptop to WhatsApp on my web. So so without wasting more time, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So as long as you're using phone to do this, it's going to directly go into your WhatsApp app, not the web. So it's because I'm using the laptop for this tutorial. Yeah, we are up now. It's coming up. Network is a bit slow, so I'm going to leave the link in the description below, and you can see the message that is going to display on it. Oh my god, why is this taking much time? So yeah, it has opened my WhatsApp, my other WhatsApp account. Okay, so you can see the message we typed down here is automatically loaded on it, and this is my profile picture. So it says so you can see, and as soon as I send the message, I'm going to receive the message on my WhatsApp. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.